Should you get collision insurance on a rental car? Getting auto insurance nowadays has become an easier task than it was earlier. In past years, getting auto insurance was very time-taking and it involved hectic meeting with insurance agents and scrolling phone books for many hours. Nowadays, use of the internet has increased the capabilities of consumers getting free auto insurance quotes online. Now, looking through the phone book for hours and spending time in meetings had reduced because quotes for auto insurance are available easily on internet. Mostly insurance companies present in nation have given their consumers the independence of searching about insurance products, information about their company and insurance quotes on internet, and it is free of cost. It takes very less time to find good insurance companies who offer free and good quotes online, and we can apply for it very easily. All this can be done by sitting simply at home, and it can be done very easily with the help of internet. For getting better quotes, it is advised to obtain more than one quote for comparison so that we can get best offer at the most affordable rate. Auto insurance quotes which are available free on internet are of great importance to those who really has a dream of buying their own vehicle which will be their dream ride. The most interesting part of these free car quotes which is available online is that it saves consumers precious time and money. Maximum insurance companies provide useful tips on how to choose best vehicle and which policy is best for that particular consumer. They prepare their consumer mentally what he should expect if he has to file a claim. They also provide their consumers insurance guides and also coverage calculating tools that helps their customers' insurance needs. They will definitely suggest best offer tips for saving money on their premiums. Auto insurance quotes which are available online free of cost do not involve consumer in any type of hurdles. When free quotes are available, then anyone can decide easily and proceed with simple application procedure. No one will exert pressure on consumer. After getting the quotes, consumers can go through them and begin the simple application process on internet. Whether anyone looking for a cheap and best car insurance rate or buying new car insurance with the help of free online insurance quotes from the most promising companies present in the market, finding them become easier than it was. So with the help of available free quotes online, one can choose best policy and bring its dream ride home.